Have you ever noticed that you actually know grammar but still struggle to speak English fluently? You've studied tenses, rules, and sentence structures, yet when it's time to talk, your mind slows down. You start checking every word in your head, and the conversation loses its flow. This is not because grammar is useless. It's because grammar is being used at the wrong time. Today, we're not saying grammar is unimportant. Grammar matters. But the problem starts when grammar becomes a barrier instead of a support. Before we continue, make sure you like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel. Now, let's go deeper. Grammar should work in the background, not in the spotlight. When you speak, your main focus should be meaning, clarity, and connection. Grammar is there to organize your message, not to interrupt it. Many learners try to speak and edit at the same time. That's like driving and fixing the engine simultaneously. It kills fluency. Imagine you're explaining a problem at work and you say, "My boss not happy with result." It's not perfect grammar, but the meaning is clear. Communication still happens. If you stop yourself to fix every small mistake, you may never finish your point. Fluent speakers don't ignore grammar. They've simply internalized it. They train their brain to recognize correct patterns through exposure and use, not constant rule checking. The smarter way to use grammar is separating learning time from speaking time. When you study, focus on grammar carefully. Analyze examples. Understand why a structure works. But when you speak, allow yourself to use what you already know without stopping. Small mistakes are part of the process, not a sign of failure. For example, during conversation you might say, "If I have more time, I travel more." It's not perfect, but it's fluent. You can always correct it later. Another powerful shift is learning grammar through real language, not isolated rules. Instead of asking, "Which tense is this?" ask, "Why did the speaker choose this sentence here?" When grammar is connected to context, it becomes easier to remember and easier to use naturally. For instance, when you hear sentences like, "I was wondering if you could help," notice the situation. Grammar here is used to sound polite, not to follow a rule. In this way, in our last lesson about how to speak fluently, we explained that fluency is about flow, not perfection. Getting stuck on grammar is one of the biggest reasons that flow breaks. When you combine today's mindset with the fluency techniques from that video, your speaking becomes faster and more confident. Grammar is important, but overthinking grammar blocks natural English. Study it seriously, but trust it when you speak. Fluency comes from using the language, not controlling it. If this video helped you, like it, leave a comment, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next lesson.